A quick disclaimer before we begin. This is not a theory. This is not a model of physics. This is a story about numerical patterns that refuse to disappear, and the curiosity they spark. In earlier episodes, we explored a quantum staircase built from pi squared, a geometric rhythm that somehow brushes past the pion, the kaon, the tau, and even the top quark. Two of the cleanest examples were the tau lepton. 180 times pi squared gives about 1777. The top quark. 180 times pi to the sixth gives about 173,000. Or 173 giga-electron volts. Now pause for a moment. A small arithmetic curiosity sits in plain sight. Proton mass plus neutron mass. 938 plus 939 equals 1877. And here's the charming part. 1877 is roughly equal to tau plus 100. In other words, proton plus neutron equals tau plus 1 decadic step. The proton-neutron pair lands between the top quark and one clean level above the tau. And that 100 is not just a number. It's a macro shift. A base 10 hop out of the quantum well. As if the first composite object in the universe is built by lifting the tau one tidy level upward. Of course, physics does not operate in base 10. Nature is indifferent to our number system. But sometimes coincidences align in ways that feel like a wink. A reminder that mathematics and matter occasionally hum the same note. That step also sits near the proton's astonishing stability, with a minimum lifetime exceeding 10 to the power of 34 years. Far beyond the age of the universe. Numerologically, that is adorable. But the beauty runs deeper. It ties into a quiet three-step rhythm. The tau, the proton-neutron pair, and the Planck scale constant of 197. Pause again to appreciate this ascending whisper. 177187197. A rising breath. A bright quantum wave. And at the center of it all sits the persistent anchor. 180. The pendulum's pivot. The point where the waves begin. The curve of space-time. The harmony behind the chaos. But what happens when we test this pattern? In the most chaotic corner of the Standard Model. Inside the baryons? 3 quarks. A sea of gluons. A storm of internal motion. If the staircase is going to break, it should break here. And yet, it doesn't. An significant example is the omega C0 baryon, a ground state charmed baryon made of 2 strange quarks and 1 charm quark. Its precisely measured mass is 2695.2 mega-electron volts. And here is the astonishing part. Its ideal location on our numerical staircase is 273 multiplied by pi squared, which equals about 2694.4. The difference between the real mass and the ideal mass is only about 0.03%. A deviation so tiny that it feels less like coincidence and more like a quiet nod from the universe. Another particle caught by the staircase. But the real curiosity is the number 273 itself. A subtle signature scattered across physics. 0 degrees Celsius corresponds to 273 Kelvin. The cosmic microwave background temperature is 2.73 Kelvin. Physicists have joked for decades that 273 is the universe's favorite number. And here it is again. Woven directly into the mass of the omega C0 baryon. Coincidence? Probably. But a very cute one. Join me in the next episode as we explore the baryon staircase, where chaos meets rhythm, and the cutest numerology continues.